Everybody, so today we will see the severe weather condition in Georgia, Atlanta region, the southern part, and in some part of the northern side, which is like close to North Carolina and Atlantic City. So here you can see there is a severe weather condition and the warning of the rain and thunderstorm. So uh, let's break out the whole prediction. There is a current day of first day of the severe thunderstorm. There is a warning of the tornado and thunderstorm. So you can see here there's a slightly low risk of the reason of the thunderstorm, which is like green color, and there is another like the moderate reason of the thunderstorm, which is maybe for the short amount of time. And again, you can see in this in the Dallas region, where the slightly risk of the thunderstorm in the yellow color, which may be for some sort of short period of time, but it should be the thunderstorm with heavy rainfall. So you should be still keep stay in your home, and you should be watch your place. And again, you can see like the moderate risk of thunderstorm going towards the Columbus, and also there is some you can see in the Boston region. You can also see some moderate risk of the thunderstorm. Okay, but it's not like the very high risk of the thunderstorm, but there should be, and we can see for next consecutive days. So here now you can see. Okay, so for the day two convention outlook, you can see uh, the this slide, the lower thunder risk at the outer region, and also the very like light or maybe the very low risk of the thunder storm in a light green color, but there is a moderate kind of the thunderstorm which going to be expand toward the Columbus on 18th of May. And it should be like there is, although there is no high risk of the thunderstorm, and we can expect that in the Boston region, which was like in the first day onset. Today we have a thunderstorm, slightly low risk of the thunderstorm, but on the 18th we cannot there is not possibility of the thunderstorm, but we can see here very like enhanced risk of the thunderstorm in the in the south, in the Jackson, and here the Canas city. You can see there is a high risk of thunderstorm. Not the high, we can say the enhanced risk of thunderstorm. You should be aware that there may be the rainfall and some lightning we can expect, and the low pressure zone, because of that the thunderstorm form. So these are the things you can see, and here is Topeka, Lawrence City, and Canas. You can see these are the region which are affected from the thunderstorm, and the slightly thunderstorm can be expected in Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, Canas, and like Omaha. So, and the minor thunderstorm can be seen in the Nashville, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, and Birmingham, Alabama. Okay, so these are the prediction for the 18th, and we will maybe the live will come to see where are the most or affected regions. So these are the things you should be aware there. Thank you so much.